Hi guys, good evening. As tonight's videos is I'm going to show you my outfit for tonight. This is the dress that I was wearing when I got married with my husband. That was 1998. 1998. Oh, no, 1998, 1997, sorry guys. 1997, March 6, 1997. Okay? I could not believe this fits me now. That means my body was like this when I was 21 years old. Okay, so I guess this kind of clothes is like an old-fashioned kind of clothes, because this is from 1998 fashion clothes. Okay, I'll show you. So this is it. This is the clothes that I was wearing when I got married in the City Hall of Cebu, Philippines. Okay, 1997, March 6, when I got married. I was 20 years old. I was 20 years old. So, okay, I'll show you guys. Okay, this is it. So see, this kind is the old-fashioned kind of clothes. As you can see, there's a slits and there's so many buttons. The skirt has so many buttons, and then there's a slit at the end, like this slits. And this one here too, the blouse has lots of buttons. It's kind of button, and lots of buttons. In 1997 kind of fashion clothes. This is it. Okay. Trying to adjust my shoes, guys, because it's too loose and I don't know how to walk on it. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great you can comment, guys. Okay, 1997 fashion clothes in 1997. Okay, hold on. 1997 fashion clothes.